A very good afternoon, students of class third. Welcome back to my class. Uh, yes, we are on chapter number third. We are on chapter number third, and we are going to learn EVS chapter number third, Water or Water of class third, and it's NCRT book. Okay, students, you know what is water. Everybody know what is water. Water is the most essential part of our life. Yes, water is the most important thing in this world. इस पूरी दुनिया में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कोई चीज है तो वो है वाटर because no one can live without water. No one can live without water. Here, it's written, it's a poem. Water or water, it's a poem. Water or water, it's a poem. It's a poem written by Sri Prasad. Written by Sri Prasad. श्री प्रसाद इट इज अ पोएम रिटन बाय श्री प्रसाद ये पोएम किसने लिखा है श्री प्रसाद ने लिखा है द पोएट ऑफ द पोएम इज श्री प्रसाद एंड इट्स ट्रांसलेटेड फ्रॉम हिंदी and it's translated from Hindi. It's not a English poem. ये English poem नहीं है. It's a Hindi poem, and it has been translated from Hindi to English. Okay. Now here in this poem, let us discuss about. Let me read out the poem. Listen carefully. I'll wash my face with water, said Munna to his Nani. Munna said to his Nani, Nani, I'm going to wash my face with water. The first two lines of the poem here. What do you mean by nani? Nani means grandmother, the mother of your mother. आपकी माँ की मम्मी को grandmother यानी नानी कहते हैं. Fine. So here मुन्ना is saying to नानी, नानी मैं मुंह धोऊंगा पानी से. मुन्ना ने कहा नानी से मैं मुंह धोऊंगा पानी से. Yes. Munna said to his nani that he is going to wash his face with water. Now let us see what is Munna's Nani saying back, replying back. He is saying, we all quench our thirst with water. What do you mean by quench? Yesterday I have taught you to satisfy our thirst by drinking water. Quench. Look here the first meaning. Quench. What do you mean by quench? Quench means to satisfy. To satisfy our thirst. To satisfy our thirst by drinking water. यानी प्यास बुझाना अपने प्यास को संतुष्ट करना किससे पानी पी करके. That is called quench. Quench means to satisfy our thirst by drinking water. So Nani is saying we all quench our thirst by drinking water or with water. Yes, we are all alive only because of water. Yes, it's a very good sentence and it's a very true sentence. ये सही sentence लिखा हुआ है कि that we all are alive on this earth only because of water. हम सब इस दुनिया में जीवित है. That is only because of water. Yes, water has been with us for ages. With us from ages यानी सदियों से पानी का और मनुष्य का रिलेशन सदियों से चलता हुआ आ रहा है. And it can fill so many pages. And if we start writing about, अगर हम पानी के बारे में लिखना शुरू करें, if we start writing a story about water, then it can fill so many pages. ढेर सारे पन्नों में आप इस कहानी को लिख सकते हैं या लिखी जा सकती हैं. Okay, so let us see once again the first paragraph. The first paragraph of the poem written by Sri Prasad, and it is translated from Hindi to English. In this poem, Munna said to his Nani that he is going to wash his face with water, and Nani says to Munna, Munna, we all quench means pyas bujhana. We all quench our thirst with water. Water is the most essential or important part of our life. We are all alive only because of water. We are all alive. हम जीवित हैं इस धरती पर, इस पृथ्वी पर. That is, all human beings are alive on this world, in this world only because of water. Yes. Now, water has been with us for ages. Yes, water has been, the relations of human beings and water has been for the past many years, ages. यानी सदियों से मनुष्य और पानी का जो रिलेशनशिप है, संबंध है, वो चलता हुआ सदियों से चलता हुआ आ रहा है. And it is said that no one can live without water. And if we start writing a story on water, look here. If we start writing a story on water, story on water. वाटर पे अगर हम कोई कहानी लिखते हैं, then it can fill, then it can fill, it can fill so many pages, so many pages. Yes, hardly we have seen a story of 5 pages, 6 pages आपने देखा होगा. But if we start writing a story, अगर हम पानी पर कोई स्टोरी लिखना शुरू करें तो वो कई पन्नों में लिखी जा सकती है, because water has been with human beings for ages. Yes, सदियों से पानी का और मनुष्य का जो रिलेशन है सदियों से चलता हुआ आ रहा है. इट हैज बीन विथ अस फॉर एजेस, यानी कई सालों से पानी हमारे साथ चलता हुआ आ रहा है. तो अगर इनकी कहानी अगर हम लिखेंगे बच्चों, तो कई पन्नों में भरी जा सकती है. इट मे फिल सो मेनी पेजेस. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी. Now, second paragraph, listen carefully. What is in second paragraph? In second paragraph, it is written that somewhere it is dew. This water is found in the form of dew, water. Somewhere it is snow. Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has forms so many. That is what says my Nani. Okay, what is Nani saying? Look here. Nani is saying to Munna, Nani is saying, telling to Munna, or he is giving this information regarding water. Nani is saying to Munna. Is saying, Nani is saying, Nani is saying to Munna. Nani is saying to Munna that water can be found in the form of in form of dew. Yes, in form of dew. Water, again, water can be found in the form of ice. Okay, or snow, sorry, water is in the form of snow. Water is in the form of what? Steam is in the form of steam. Steam is also water. Steam is also water. Now look here. Nani is saying to Munna, Nani is telling Munna that Munna, water is in the form of dew. We can find water in the form of dew. We can find water in the form of snow, and we can find even the water in the steam. What do we mean by steam? Steam means when we boil any water, when we boil water, when the vapor comes out. Look here, अगर हम किसी भगोने में या किसी वैसल में अगर हम यहाँ पे आग जलाते हैं, yes, okay, और इस पानी को बॉयल करते हैं, if we boil this water, boiled any water, ऊपर ये भाप निकलता है. So water is in the form of what? स्टीम. इसको स्टीम बोलते हैं. जो भाप निकलता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वाटर. दैट इज ऑल्सो वाटर. यू कैन डू अ प्रैक्टिस. अगर आप उबलते हुए पानी के ऊपर कीप वन प्लेट, एक प्लेट ऊपर रखना, कीप वन प्लेट, एंड व्हेन द वेपर कूल डाउन, जब ये वेपर ठंडा होगा ऊपर जाके, तो वो पानी में चेंज हो जाएगा. यस, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. यू विल स्टार्ट इन हायर क्लासेस, बड़े क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. बट टिल नाउ try to understand that water can be found in 3 forms. पानी 3 forms में पाया जाता है. How many forms? 3 forms. That is, what is this? Number 1. Okay, we can say solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Look here, students. Water can be found in 3 forms. Water can be found in 3 forms. That is solid, liquid, and gas. What is solid? Solid means snow, burp. Okay, liquid. What is liquid? In the form of dew or water. And what is gas? In the form of steam. So in the second paragraph, Nani is saying to Munna that Munna, somewhere water is in the form of dew, somewhere water is in the form of snow, and somewhere even the steam can be water. Yes, even the steam can be water. That's what my Nani says. Means who's Nani? Munna. Nani says to Munna that water जो है ओस की बूंदों में भी पाए जा सकते हैं, पानी जो है बर्फ में भी मिलता है, यहाँ तक कि जो भाप निकलता है स्टीम, उसमें भी पानी है. यस, ये किसने कहा? नानी ने कहा मुन्ना से. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द रिवर फ्लो, द waterfall sings, and water swells in lakes and springs. Yes, now look here. The river flow. There are 2 lines again. 2 lines over है. This 2 lines is the places where we get water. They are sources of water. दे आर नेचुरल सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर, ये नेचुरल सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर है, यहाँ से हमें पानी मिलता है। दैट इज द रिवर फ्लो, यस रिवर्स फ्लो व्हेन द वाटर, वाटरफॉल का मतलब क्या होता है, व्हाट डू मीन बाय वाटरफॉल, व्हेन वाटर फॉल्स फ्रॉम अ माउंटेन, फॉल डाउन फ्रॉम अ माउंटेन, किसी पहाड़ से अगर पानी नीचे गिरता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वाटरफॉल। यस, फ्रॉम अ क्लिफ ऑफ अ माउंटेन, फ्रॉम अ क्लिफ ऑफ अ माउंटेन, if the waterfall, it feels like a singing, the waterfall sings, and water swells in lakes and springs. Swells का मतलब होता है to become larger and larger in the forms of lakes and spring. Now what do you mean by lakes का मतलब क्या होगा, what is lakes? Now look your students, what is lake? Look carefully. Lakes, water can be found, where can we found water? Water can be found in river, in river, river में हम पानी पास मिल सकता है हमें, in waterfall, in waterfall, in waterfall, in lakes, in lakes, and in spring, and in spring, and in spring. Okay students, I hope हमें इन चार जगहों से पानी प्राप्त होता है, हमें मिलता है, प्राप्त होता है पानी। Where do we get water from? We get water from river, we get water from waterfall, we get water from lakes, we get water from spring. Okay, now you know what is river? River, you know, नदी को कहते हैं, waterfall, you know, when water fall down from a high. Let me write down the English meaning. Now look at the board of English meaning of waterfall. Students, look here. A river that falls, a river that falls down, a river that falls down from a mountain, falls down from a mountain. कोई भी नदी जब पहाड़ के ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है तो वो झरने की तरह दिखता है। व्हाट इज दैट? वाटरफॉल। नाउ लुक हियर, व्हाट इज लेक? लेक, लेट मी राइट हियर, मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग हियर स्टूडेंट्स, lakes, I am writing here, what is lake? A large area of, a large area, a large area of water, a large area of water that is surrounded, a large area of water that is surrounded by land, land, that is called lakes. Lakes का मतलब ये होता है ढेर सारा water. Look at ये, this is water and this water is surrounded by a land. ये land है, this is land, and what is this? This is water. Okay, all these are water, all these are water students. So large area of water, water का ढेर सारा area अगर चारों तरफ से जमीन से कवर किया हो, then that is called lake. Okay, clear everybody? Please show me your thumb. I hope you understand what is river. रिवर क्लियर हो गया? रिवर क्लियर है? यस। वाटरफॉल क्लियर? व्हेन अ माउंटेन, लुक हियर, दिस इज माउंटेन, दिस इज माउंटेन, ओके, एंड दिस इज लैंड, जहां हम रहते हैं। अगर हम यहाँ हिल एरिया से, यहाँ से वाटरफॉल होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? वाटरफॉल। पहाड़ से नीचे जब पानी गिरता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वाटरफॉल। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ व्हाट इज लेक? लेक का मतलब क्या होगा? ये पानी जब ढेर सारा इकट्ठा होता है, एंड इट इज कवर्ड बाय अ लैंड, सराउंडेड बाय अ लैंड, surrounded by a land, enclosed by a land, that is called lakes. Now what is spring? Look here students, what is spring? Spring का मतलब क्या होता है? It is found in hilly areas where in पहाड़ इलाकों में ज्यादा मिलता है बेटा। आपने देखा होगा pond, pond, have you seen pond? Pond, yes, pond, pond क्या होता है बेटा? यहाँ गड्ढे खोदते हैं हम, yes, we dig a pit, we dig a pit, गड्ढा जब खोदते हैं और अंदर से पानी निकलता है, ब्लू, yes, जब underground water comes out, when underground water comes out, that is called spring, spring, that is called spring. प्राकृतिक जल बोलते हैं बेटा उसको, इंग्लिश, हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे हम? प्राकृतिक जल। Natural water that gets collected from underground sources, अंडरग्राउंड, नीचे पानी रहता है, उस वो पानी जब ऊपर की तरफ आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंग। इकट्ठा होता है, अंदर से पानी निकलता है, जमीन के अंदर से पानी जब एक कुएं में आकर के भरता है, नीचे ही नीचे पानी आता रहेगा। इवन इफ यू टेक आउट वाटर, द वाटर विल बी फिल अप अगेन फ्रॉम बाय अंडरग्राउंड सोर्सेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंग। ओके, नाउ लुक हियर, मींस here the third stanza, it's written here that the river flow, the waterfall springs, And water swells in lakes and springs. Means these are the sources. These are the sources of water from where we get water. Now let us see. Life on earth it has brought. Water fills and life they got. Yes, on earth, life has been brought by water. Yes, only due to the presence of water there is life on earth. Yes, students, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Only because of water there is life on earth. पृथ्वी पर अगर जीवन है, then that is only because of water. Am I right, students? From your thumb, if it is right that life is possible on earth only because of water. From your thumb, if it is clear. अगर समझ में आ गया कि हाँ ये सही है कि पृथ्वी पर जीवन है, that is only because of water, right? Yes. Okay, now let us see. Water fills and life they got. Yes, we feel water and we get life. Example, take an example. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ फील्ड. एक एग्जाम्पल ले लो. आपके पास एक खेत है. आपके पास एक खेत है. देयर यू हैव अ फील्ड एंड इफ यू डोंट वाटर इट, अगर आप पानी नहीं डालते हो तो उसमें के सारे पौधे मुरझा जाता है. मीन्स दे आर डेड. इफ वी डोंट फील वाटर इन आवर माउथ, अगर हम पानी को अपने मुंह में नहीं डालेंगे, देन आवर लाइफ इज गॉन. Yes, human being life will be no more without water. So here, Sri Prasad, the poet, is saying that water has brought life on earth. Only because of water, there is presence of life on the earth. Okay, next. But what happened when water breaks into flood? Yes, what will happen when? What do you mean by flood? Flood means bad. Flood means bad. Collection of lots of water in one places. That is called what? That is called बाढ़. Okay, flood. What will happen? What will happen if floods occur? अगर बाढ़ आती है तो क्या होगा? Great misfortunes. It always works. Means what? When there is a flood, it causes a great misfortune, दुर्भाग्य. Okay, students. What do you mean by misfortune? Durbhagya. Fine, students. So this is a poem translated from Hindi to English, and it is written by Sri Prasad. So after reading this poem, we come to conclusion that water is a very important part of our life. Water is very essential for everyone. Students, इस कविता को पढ़ने के बाद, श्री प्रसाद जी का इस कविता को पढ़ने के बाद हमें ये ज्ञान होता है कि that water is the most important thing on the earth. Yes. You can think yourself, you are grown up, you are in class third and you are grown up. I hope you can understand that water is very essential for everything. Early morning when you get up, you drink water, you wash your face, you water. Everything is done with water. Even your stomach, आपका पेट वगैरह खराब होता है, that is also being what? When you drink lots of water, it will cover up. It will cover up. Our maximum 70% of our body, there is what? Water is there in our body. Yes. The blood is also a water. जो हमारे शरीर में जो खून है, that is also a, what? That blood is also a water. So water is the most important thing. So in class third, you are studying, you are getting a knowledge, you are earning knowledge, you are up knowledge earn कर रहे हो. Here you come to know that water is very important in our life. So we should not waste water. We should not waste water. Okay, so whenever you come to school, when you see the tap is on, अगर आपको दिखता है कि टैप ऑन है और पानी गिर रहा है, then what you should do? You should close the tap. You must close the tap because you have learned in EVS class third that water is the most important and essential part of our life. Yes. इस कविता को पढ़ने के बाद हमें ये ज्ञान होता है कि पानी जो है सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज होता है इस पृथ्वी पर. पृथ्वी पर अगर पानी नहीं होता तो कोई जीवन नहीं होता. So there is one saying that जल ही जीवन है. So इसको पढ़ने के बाद अगर क्लास थर्ड का बच्चा स्कूल आता है and if he saw that the tap is open, आपको दिख गया कि कोई टैप ऑन है, then what you will do? You should close the tap. You must close the tap. आपको उस टैप को बंद कर देना चाहिए ताकि वाटर वेस्ट न हो. Yes. Okay. Now let us discuss about students. Let us discuss next. Children, do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. Now, yesterday I have told you, अगर आपको पानी से related कोई poem याद है, then you can recite in the class. Now I'll give a time. Okay, it should be a Hindi one. Don't tell me English poem. It should be English poem. It should not be any Hindi poem. Okay, now unmute it. Yes, unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me one poem. recite one poem in this class. आप इस क्लास में पानी से रिलेटेड एक कविता सुनाइए.
सर इंग्लिश या हिंदी?
इंग्लिश इंग्लिश.
सर
Okay, tell me.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
rain. Tell me.
Rain, go away, come again and night again. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go away.
Rain, go to Spain. Rain, go to Spain. Rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go to Spain. Yes. Okay, fine. Any other? Mute it now. Yes. Any other student who will tell? Ananya Tiwari, you will recite any one poem related on water. एक भी कोई poem बताओ जो पानी से संबंधित रखता हो. No. Okay, Hindi. In Hindi, tell any one poem in Hindi.
मछली जल की
हाँ. Yes. No good. Very good. Yes. Come on.
नहीं है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी.
Okay, very good. उसके आगे भी कुछ है? हाँ, बाहर निकाला मर गया. उसके बाद क्या करना है? What we will do? Okay, fine. Now who will tell? Now let me ask you some who will tell. Jagriti Pandey, yes. Jagriti Pandey, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
One poem related to
हिंदी
water.
में बता सकते हैं.
हाँ, चलो बताओ, हिंदी में बताओ, no problem.
सर
नो नहीं है.
सर मैंने जो दो पोयम सुनाने वाली थी वो दोनों सुना दिए हैं लोग.
Okay, चलो मैं सुनाता हूँ. Let me tell. Okay. Now let me tell. Any other students? I'm giving you time. अगर कोई बच्चा है, you can raise your hand. I'll give you the time to speak. Any other students? Is there any other students? Those who want to speak or those who want to tell the poem? No one. Fine. I will tell. In class 1 or in lower classes, in LKG, UKG, you have learned one rhymes. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pot of water. Jack fell down and broke his leg, and Jill trembling after. Yes, this is the point. Now let's come to next question. Next question. Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find water? Yes, this is a question. Who will tell me the answer? In the poem, there are the name of the place where we get water. कविता में कुछ जगहों का नाम दिया गया है जहां पे हमें पानी उपलब्ध होता है. Shama, you will tell me. Shama Singh. Shama,
Yes, sir.
unmuted. Yeah, tell me the name of the places mentioned in the poem. पोयम में मेंशन किया हुआ है कि ये वो जगह है जहां से पानी प्राप्त होता है. कैन यू टेल मी?
सर वाटरफॉल, रिवर.
यस, वेरी गुड. वाटरफॉल, रिवर. यस. लेक्स, स्प्रिंग, वाटरफॉल एंड रिवर. वेरी गुड. Yes, thank you. Okay, fine. Now I am writing on the board. Now let me write on the board. Students, look, we are on the exercises. Which is given in your book. Tick the activities which needed water. Now look here. Tick the activity which needed water. Tick. What do you have to do? Tick the activities. Tick the activities. Activities for which water is needed. For which water is needed. Okay, here it's given here to play. Do we need water? To write. Do we need water to write? To run a fan. To run a fan. Do we need water to run a fan? To sing. Do we need water to sing? Next question. To make tea. To make tea. Do we need water to make a tea? To paint a picture. To paint a picture. To paint pictures. Do we need water to paint a pictures? To row a boat. To row a boat. Okay. Do we need water to row a boat? Next question is that to need. To need dog. Do we need water to need a dog? To grow plants. To grow plants. Okay, class. Now help me out. Now help me. Everybody help me. These are the activities given here. Here some of the activities are given. कुछ activities दिए हुए हैं. हमें क्या करना है? We have to take care. What we have to do? We have to take the activities in which water is needed. इनमें से वो कौन सा कार्य है जिसको करने के लिए हमें पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? नंबर 1 टू प्ले. डू वी नीड वाटर? अगर वाटर की जरूरत है तो शो मी योर थंब अप साइड. अगर नहीं है तो शो मी योर थंब डाउन डाउनवर्ड्स. एवरीबॉडी शो मी. कम ऑन, हरी अप. Do we need water to play? Do we need water to play? If it is okay, down. Down means no. Down means no, and up means yes. Down, fine. No, we don't need water. Fine. Okay. Do we need water to write? Do we need water to write? Do we need water to write? No. Very good. No, we don't need water to write. To run a fan. टू रन अ फैन. पंखे को चलाने के लिए हमें पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है. डू वी नीड वाटर टू रन अ फैन? नो. ओके. टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग. टू सिंग, गाना गाने के लिए भी क्या हमें पानी की आवश्यकता पड़ती है? डू वी नीड वाटर टू सिंग? नो. टू मेक टी. टू मेक टी. डू वी नीड वाटर टू मेक टी? To prepare tea, चाय बनाने के लिए do we need water, students? Come on, show me. If yes, up. If no, down. Yes, very good. To make tea, yes, fine. To paint picture. To paint pictures. Do we need water to paint a picture? Come on, show me your thumb. If it is yes, show me upside. And if it is no, show your thumb downward. Come on. Yes. If we are using color pens or water color, if we are using water color, students, अगर हम water color का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, water colors, then definitely we need water to paint a picture. To paint a picture, we need water. Okay, fine. To row a boat. To row a boat. Do we need water to row a boat? Students, come on, help me out. पानी बोट चलाने के लिए, नाव चलाने के लिए क्या हमें पानी की आवश्यकता है? और कैन वी रो अ बोट ऑन द रोड? बोट तो जो नाव जो है क्या हम सड़क पे चला सकते हैं या उसके लिए पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? बिल्कुल पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है. यस, इट नीड वाटर. नो, नो, इट्स यस. इट्स यस. नेक्स्ट, टू नीड अ डॉग, यानी कि आटा गूंदने के लिए भी क्या हमें पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? यू नो, डॉग मीन्स आटे होता है, फ्लोर, एंड नीड का मतलब होता है गूंदना. डू वी नीड वाटर टू नीड अ डॉग? Yes, very good. What about to grow a plant? To grow a plant, do we need water? Water की जरूरत पड़ेगी पौधे को बड़ा करने के लिए. Yes, we need water to grow a plant. Yes, very good, students. Now let us see. Now let us move to forward. Let us move forward. Now look here, you have the book with you. Let me write the activities. मैं activities लिख रहा हूँ. Look here, I am writing the activities. These are the activities. Look here, activities. Activities. Number 1, it is written. Number 1, to bath. Okay, let me write the number. First is to bath. Second, to drink. Third, to clean the house. To clean the house. Number 4, to water the fields, to water the fields, to need the dove. Now students, look here. Among this, यहाँ पे जो activity दिया हुआ है, some activities are given here. Which activities need large quantity of water? Which activity needs large quantity of water? हमें इसको arrange करना है in what? Descending order. In descending order. इस सारे एक्टिविटीज में सबसे ज्यादा पानी किस में लगता है, फिर उससे थोड़ा कम पानी किस में लगता है. Descending order means from top to bottom, from top to bottom. In this way we have to arrange in this way, okay, in descending order. Now who will tell me that? Let me ask question. Read properly. To bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the fields, to knead the dog. Now who will tell me that large quantity of water is needed in which activities? इनमें से वो कौन सा एक्टिविटी है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? Who will tell me? Ankita Kumar, Ankita Kumari. Yes, unmute. Unmuted. Unmuted. Yes, can you tell me which activities required large amount of water in this? इनमें से वो कौन सा कार्य है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा पानी की जरूरत पड़ेगी? Ankita Kumari, can you tell me? Yes, look, to bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the field, to knead the dog. No answer. Okay, next, Ananya Tiwari, unmute. Ananya Tiwari, you tell me, among these activities, which activities needed large amount of water?
Sir, clean the home.
Clean the
Sir,
house.
clean-
No, wrong. No, wrong answer. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Hariom Pandey. Yes. Tell me, Hariom Pandey, which activity needed large amount of water?
To water the field.
Very good. खेत में पानी चलाना. To water the field. Field अपने खेत में जब पानी चलाते सबसे ज्यादा पानी वहां. So this is number one. So I am writing here number one, to water the field. This is the first one. Okay. Now muted. Hariom Pandey muted. Now next question. Who will tell me? Shreya Singh unmuted. Shreya Singh, you tell me now. Which activity is next? इससे थोड़ा कम पानी किसमें लगता है? Who will tell? Shreya Singh. Come on, tell me. To clean the house. Very good. This is in second position. That to clean the house. Okay. Now mute it. Now who will tell me the third question? Third question. Who is this? Avnish Kumar. Yes, Avnish Kumar. Now you tell me. You tell me that which activities is next?
To bath.
To bath. Very good. To bath. Okay, this is the third one. Now number fourth. Who will tell me number fourth? Adamya. Yes, you tell me which is the next one now.
Yes, sir.
Unmute it. Now what is left? Which activities need less than bathing amount of water? Yes.
Sir, to drink. Sir, to drink.
To drink. I think you can drink. Yes. Yeah, come on, tell me.
Sir, to knead the dough.
Very good. To knead the dough. आटा गूंदने के लिए हो सकता है हमें 1 से 2 ग्लास की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. To knead the dough. Yes. Okay. And the last one, number 5. Number 5, I will tell you. Number 5, I will tell you. Number 5 is to drink. To drink. Yes. I think everybody you are able to understand what I have taught here. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा? Yes. Okay, fine. Now let us see the next. Let us see the next question. Okay. Next question is that. Okay, wait. Don't discuss. बातें मत करो बेटा. Disturb. Don't disturb ना. Don't disturb. Mute it. Come on. Yes. Yeah. Mute it. Now let us see. Water from where? Water from where? In the poem you read. In the poem we read about rivers, waterfall, lakes and springs. We get water from all these places. Yes. In the poem these are the name of the places that हमें कहाँ से पानी मिलता है. पोएम में हमें इससे पता चला कि हमें पानी रिवर, वाटरफॉल, लेक, स्प्रिंग से प्राप्त होता है. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Now question arising. Now the poet is asking, आपसे question पूछ रहा है. Where do you get water from? Okay. Put a circle around those places that are either in your house or around it. आपके अगल बगल या आपके घर में हो तो इनमें से आपको क्रॉस करना है. Lake, well, tube well, pond, waterfall, hand pump, river, stream, tap, tank, sea or hot water spring. Okay, now students, you tell me, you help me out कि आपको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है. जिन जगहों पर मिलता है आपको उसे सर्कल करना है. Yes, well, if you go to village, around the surroundings, गांव की तरफ अगर आप जाते हैं, then you will find well. Yes, we get well. Lake is not here. हमारे आसपास कोई लेक नहीं है, कोई झील नहीं है. Now tube well, yes, we get water from tube well. Pond is not there. Pond हमारे यहाँ नहीं है. Waterfall, no. Hand pump, is there hand pump? Hand pump is there? Come on, shake your head. Yes sir, है बताओ. Yes, hand pump. What about river? River is there? Is there river? River है? No river. Stream, a small river? No. Tap? Yes. Do you have tap? टैप है हमारे पास, हमें टैप से पानी मिलता है. We get, yes, टैप. Tank, what about tank? Yes, we get water from tank. See, no, hot water spring नहीं है. Okay class, the time is, we will do. अब हम next class में करेंगे, आगे हम next class में करेंगे. Now it is over. Be